In this video, we'll be sharing with you our top 6 best all-inclusive family resorts in Punta Cana, Dominican Republic for 2024. Make sure to watch until the end to avoid choosing a resort that might disappoint your family. Starting at number 6 is the Grand Sirenis Punta Cana. Tucked away within the colorful coconut groves of Punta Cana, the Grand Sirenis Punta Cana resort stands out as one of the finest family-friendly destinations in the region. Following an extensive renovation in 2018, this expansive 5-star resort has redefined luxury and leisure in the Caribbean. Upon arrival, guests are greeted by a vibrant atmosphere where every detail speaks of elegance and comfort. Accommodations at Grand Sirenis Punta Cana are designed to exceed expectations, from spacious double rooms overlooking verdant gardens to romantic suites with canopied beds and private whirlpool baths. Every space invites relaxation and rejuvenation. Families can opt for the family suite, complete with separate living areas and ample room for children to play, ensuring both privacy and comfort throughout their stay. At the heart of the resort lies its diverse dining options. 8 themed restaurants and 2 buffet venues entice guests with tantalizing arrays of international cuisine, ranging from Italian delicacies to savory Tex-Mex flavors. With the all-inclusive package, families can indulge in stress-free dining, enjoying gourmet meals, snacks, and beverages without any constraints. For families seeking adventure, Grand Sirenis delivers an abundance. The crown jewel is undoubtedly the Sirenis aquagames water park, a sprawling playground of excitement featuring twisting slides, a space bowl, and a dedicated children's area with playful water jets and splash barrels. Beyond the water park, you can indulge in a variety of sports activities, including tennis, beach volleyball, snorkeling, and scuba diving classes, ensuring there's never a dull moment. Evenings at Grand Sirenis Punta Cana are filled with entertainment and cultural experiences too. Live shows, theme nights, and the vibrant El Bonche nightclub offer opportunities for guests to immerse themselves in local rhythms and international beats, creating lasting memories under the starlit Caribbean sky. Those in search of relaxation can unwind at the resort's spa and beauty center, where a menu of indulgent treatments awaits. From soothing massages to rejuvenating facials and beauty services, visitors can pamper themselves amidst a tranquil setting designed to soothe both body and mind. All in all, the Grand Sirenis Punta Cana is more than just a holiday destination. It's a resort where families can create unforgettable memories and moments together. At number 5 is the Dreams Onyx Resort and Spa. Set in the vibrant Uvero Alto region of Punta Cana, Dreams Onyx stands as a beacon of luxury and adventure, perfect for families seeking an exceptional tropical getaway. With its 806 elegantly appointed rooms and suites, the resort offers a true taste of unlimited luxury with top-tier amenities and services. Families are at the heart of the Dreams Onyx, where both adults and children can enjoy a wealth of activities and experiences. The resort features 5 stunning swimming pools, including an infinity pool and dedicated children's pool, ensuring that every family member has a place to unwind and enjoy the Caribbean sun. Each room and suite is designed with comfort in mind, boasting private balconies or terraces with jacuzzis, perfect for relaxing evenings after a day of adventure. Dining at Dreams Onyx is a culinary journey in and of itself, with 12 diverse restaurants and 11 bars, offering everything from beachside grills to gourmet international cuisine. Families can savor meals together at the expansive buffet, enjoy themed dinners, or indulge in Japanese teppanyaki or Mediterranean flavors. The array of dining options ensures that even the pickiest eaters will find something to delight their taste. Younger guests are treated to a unique experience at the Explorers Club, where supervised activities cater to children aged 3 to 12. From arts and crafts to outdoor games and movie nights, every moment is filled with fun and excitement. Older kids and teens can make new friends and create lasting memories at the Core Zone Teens Club, complete with video games, sports activities, and even a DJ station for evening entertainment. As the sun sets at Dreams Onyx, the resort springs to life with an array of evening entertainment options. Guests can enjoy beach cinema screenings, live music performances, and theme parties that are perfect for the entire family. For adults looking to extend their evening, neighboring Breathless Punta Cana offers a vibrant casino, nightclub, and more dining choices to explore. For those seeking relaxation and rejuvenation, the resort spa facilities at Breathless Spa by Pavonia offer a serene escape. You can indulge in massages, hydrotherapy treatments, and beauty services, ensuring a truly pampering experience. In summer, the Dreams Onyx Resort and Spa truly stands out as one of the best family resorts in Punta Cana, offering a perfect blend of adventure and relaxation for guests of all ages. Number 4 is the Majestic Colonial Punta Cana. Located on the pristine shores of Bavaro Beach in Punta Cana, Majestic Colonial emerges as a 5-star all-inclusive resort that caters perfectly to families seeking both luxury and family-friendly atmosphere in the Dominican Republic, all against the backdrop of one of the world's most stunning beaches. Starting off with the accommodations at Majestic Colonial are designed to cater to every need and preference. The resort boasts spacious suites with king-sized 4-poster beds, luxurious bathrooms equipped with jacuzzis, and private terraces or balconies offering views of either the gardens or pool areas. Families have the option to choose suites featuring both indoor and outdoor jacuzzis, including swim-up suites that provide direct access to the pool, ensuring convenience and relaxation for all guests. For families, the resort's Pioneers Club is a highlight, providing supervised activities for children aged 5 to 14. Kids can enjoy water slides, playgrounds, and a Caribbean-themed show, while parents explore the resort's expansive facilities or enjoy some quiet time at the adults-only Colonial Club section. The exclusive area provides a serene escape with its own pool and upgraded amenities, perfect for couples seeking peace and privacy amidst the resort's lively atmosphere. There's no shortage of leisure activities at Majestic Colonial. Guests can enjoy a variety of options, including tennis and basketball courts, a modern gym, and a large lagoon-style swimming pool. Water sports enthusiasts can try snorkeling, windsurfing, and kayaking, while those who prefer land-based activities can opt for mini golf or horseback riding, ensuring that there's something for everybody to enjoy. The resort also excels in its food offerings with 6 restaurants and 9 bars scattered throughout the resort. From Caribbean seafood at Tres Carabelas to Oriental delights at Ma Plasuri's Teppanyaki Bar, you can embark on a food journey without leaving the resort. The resort also boasts a vibrant nightlife scene with live music, piano performances, and a discotheque for adults at Coco's nightclub. If you're impressed with what you're seeing, now's the perfect time to book one of these family-friendly resorts at the best prices online. Check out the links below to secure your reservation now with a 100% full refund policy. Number 3 is the Royalton Splash Punta Cana. The Autograph Collection all-inclusive resort and casino delivers dynamic experiences for guests of all ages, creating lasting memories that will endure beyond the vacation. As guests arrive, they are welcomed by the impressive scale of the resort, which includes 525 elegantly furnished rooms and suites. Each accommodation serves as a private haven, equipped with exclusive dream bed mattresses, rain showers, and convenient amenities such as USB charging stations and complimentary Wi-Fi. Families can select from a variety of options, including rooms with bunk beds and oversized TV, ensuring both comfort and convenience during their stay. One of the highlights of the Royalton Splash is its expansive water park, among the largest in the Caribbean. The park features a thrilling wave pool, 7 monster slides, tubes, splash pads, and spray ground. Beyond the water park, Bavaro Beach beckons with its golden sands and clear waters. Here, guests can partake in a myriad of beach activities, ranging from snorkeling and kayaking to beach volleyball and paddleboarding. The resort's dedication to entertainment extends into the evening, with nightly shows and access to Genesis Casino, where adults can try their luck at various gaming tables and slot machines. For younger guests, the Kids Club offers a supervised haven of fun and learning. Children aged 4 to 12 can enjoy indoor play areas, outdoor playgrounds, and a schedule packed with engaging activities. Teens, on the other hand, have their own space at the Hangout Teens Club, featuring video games, sports activities, and social gatherings tailored to their interests. To unwind and rejuvenate, the Royal Spa offers tranquility with a comprehensive menu of treatment, hydrotherapy circuits, and fitness classes, including yoga, Pilates, and Zumba. It's a place where guests can indulge in self-care amidst the lush tropical surroundings. As one of the best family-friendly resorts in Punta Cana, whether you're seeking adventure, relaxation, or simple quality time with loved ones, the Royalton promises an unforgettable getaway where every moment is aimed to exceed expectations. Second on the list is the Hard Rock Hotel and Casino. The Hard Rock Punta Cana is a hub of true entertainment, offering a vibrant blend of rock and roll flair and family-friendly indulgence. Renowned for its all-inclusive experience, this resort redefines luxury with its one-of-a-kind atmosphere. At the heart of the resort's allure lies its expansive collection of pools, 13 in total, each offering its own unique ambiance. Families can enjoy designated family pools, a lazy river, and thrilling slides at the on-site water park, Rockaway Bay. Adults seeking relaxation can retreat to serene pools or indulge in swim-up bars scattered throughout the ground. Culinary enthusiasts will delight in the 9 distinct restaurants offering a global journey, from the sizzling steaks at Toro to the exotic flavors of Zen Asian restaurant. The dining options cater to everybody's palate. You can also enjoy casual bites at various snack bars and indulge in sweet treats at Must Sweet and Coffee, open 24 hours a day. Families are well catered to with the Rock City Kids Club, where young guests can enjoy supervised activities such as singing, dancing, and arts and crafts. Teens have their own space at the Teen Lounge, featuring video games and social events. Sports enthusiasts can partake in a range of activities, including tennis, golf at the Nickelodeon designed course, such as paddle surfing and beach volleyball. The resort's commitment to recreation ensures that there's something for everybody. Nightly entertainment includes live music, film screenings, and theme parties that cater to guests of all ages. For those seeking wellness and rejuvenation, the Rock Spa offers a home of relaxation with a comprehensive menu of treatment. From massages to music therapy sessions, you can unwind in style. Fitness enthusiasts can maintain their routines at the state-of-the-art gym or participate in group fitness classes like Pilates and kickboxing. The accommodations at the resort epitomize opulence and comfort. From spacious Caribbean suites to exclusive rock royalty options, each room features private balconies, dual showers, and indulgent touches like hydro spa tubs and plush bathrobe. The rock royalty upgrade ensures a truly VIP experience, complete with personalized butler services and exclusive access to private pools and beach areas. Overall, the Hard Rock Hotel and Casino offers an unparalleled, all-inclusive experience, seamlessly blending rock and roll excitement with world-class service. It's more than just a vacation, it's a rock and roll fantasy brought to life. And at number 1 is the Nickelodeon Hotel and Resort Punta Cana. Nestled on the sun-kissed shores of Uvero Alto Beach in Punta Cana, Nickelodeon Resort stands out as the ultimate family-friendly haven. This resort isn't just about luxury, it's a vibrant celebration of Nickelodeon's beloved characters and a promise of unforgettable family moments. As you enter this unique experience, you're greeted with the playful spirit of Nickelodeon, where kids receive a welcome slime smoothie. Adults can enjoy a glass of sparkling wine, a fitting start to an adventure-packed stay. The resort boasts an impressive array of 460 suites and villas, each meticulously designed to cater to families of all sizes. Whether you're opting for a cozy pad suite or splurging on the iconic Pineapple Villa, every accommodation option blends comfort with whimsical Nickelodeon touches. The heart of the resort beats loudest at the Aquanic Water Park, a paradise for water enthusiasts of all ages. Here, families can slide down thrilling water slides, splash in interactive pools, or float lazily along the river, complete with scheduled mass sliming events that are sure to delight Nickelodeon fans both young and old. When it comes to dining, the resort doesn't disappoint, with 9 diverse restaurants offering everything from gourmet international cuisine to themed dining experiences like Spacewalker. The resort ensures that every meal is an adventure. The gourmet inclusive concept means that all-inclusive here doesn't just mean food and drink, it means exceptional quality and variety. Beyond the water park and dining, the resort caters to every interest. Kids can immerse themselves in supervised activities at Club Nick, where creative workshops and character meet and greets await. For active families, there are endless sports options from tennis and basketball to giant chess and archery. And for those seeking relaxation, the Vasa Spa offers indulgent treatment with serene surroundings. Evenings at Nickelodeon Resort are filled with entertainment, from live shows at Plaza Orange to special events where favorite Nickelodeon characters come to life. Whether you're dancing with Dora, snapping photos with SpongeBob SquarePants, or simply enjoying the warm Caribbean breeze, every moment here is designed to create cherished family memories forever. With its unbeatable blend of opulence, fun, and Nickelodeon magic, it truly stands out as the best family resort in Punta Cana, offering an experience that, as unique as it is also unforgettable. That's all for now. Don't miss your chance to book one of these all-inclusive resorts in Punta Cana, complete with a full refund policy as mentioned. Also, remember to subscribe to our channel for more informative travel content. Thank you so much for watching, and happy travels, everybody.